In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a to-do list in Notion. If you want a simple way to keep track of tasks, reminders, or daily priorities, Notion makes it very easy to create a clean checklist directly on any page. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the quick process for setting up a basic to-do list so you can start organizing your work right away. First, go to your Notion page. This can be an existing page where you already keep notes, project plans, or personal tasks, or it can be a brand new page if you want to build your list from scratch. The key thing here is just to open the page where you want your to-do list to live. Since Notion is very flexible, you can place a checklist almost anywhere, which makes it useful for both simple daily planning and more detailed project tracking. Once you're on the page, click into an empty area so your cursor is active. Then type a / on your keyboard, followed by the words to-do list. In Notion, the / command is a quick way to insert different kinds of content blocks without needing to search through menus manually. As you type, Notion will start filtering results for you, which helps speed up the process and keeps things intuitive. When you see the filtered results appear, click on To-Do List. This inserts the checklist block directly onto your page. You'll now have the structure you need to start adding tasks. This option is especially useful because each item comes with a checkbox, making it easy to mark tasks as complete as you go. That visual progress can be really helpful when you're trying to stay focused and organized. Now add your first item. Just type the name of the task you want to complete. Keep it clear and specific so it's easy to understand later. For example, shorter task names are often better because they're quicker to scan. After typing your first item, hit enter to move to a new line and automatically create another to-do item. From there, continue adding as many tasks as you need, one per line. That's it. You now have a working to-do list in Notion. As you use it, you can check off completed items to track your progress and keep your page tidy. If you want your list to stay useful, try updating it regularly and keeping your tasks actionable and easy to review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.